All right, welcome back. We are at step 4, which is the offer letter request, and this is to be submitted after you've received the compensation range, you've determined a salary to offer the candidate with your committee chair and interview committee, and you're ready to extend the formal offer to the candidate. So you'll click offer letter request, and then supervisors need to fill this portion out. We'll use this information to, again, craft that offer letter, and then we're going to CC the supervisor, the committee chair, and any other parties specified on the form on that email to the candidate. Once emailed, the candidate will need to then sign and date the document and then return it electronically to the regional office for HR records. So real quick, going through the form, just your name, your title, email address, the committee chair's name, and their email address. And then again, if there's any other people that you want CC'd on the offer letter email, you can include their name, their role, and their email address here. Then the area number, the area name, and then the new hire's name, their title, their email address, their physical address, and the official start date. Then we'll go into the details of their job, so full-time or part-time, and then if part-time, what will the monthly hours be? Meaning, are they going to be working 40 hours a month, 87 hours a month? A way to figure out if you know the weekly hours, to figure out the monthly hours is just to multiply the weekly hours by 4.33. So let's say we have a student staff who's working 10 hours a week. The monthly hours would be 10 hours times 4.33 to be 43 hours a month. Pay type is going to be salaried or hourly. Just a reminder that admins are hourly. All other field staff, including student staff, are salaried. So for this example of our student staff, they would be 43 hours a month, they would be salaried, they would be part-time, and then you would need to figure out what the monthly salary would be. Since you do not need to do an IRD for a student staff because they're minimum wage, and minimum wage ranges from $12.75 to $15 an hour in the state of Oregon, you would just multiply whatever hourly wage you've decided on by the monthly hours. So let's say you've decided on $12.75 an hour and they're working 43 hours a month. That would be $548.25 for their monthly salary. So that's where you would put it in here. If it's an hourly admin position, you would just put what their hourly rate is. And then if applicable, what would their cost of living adjustment percentage be, which was on the IRD request form. Any other additional details or comments can be inserted in this last box. And then again, you'll submit. Our office will craft that offer letter email and email it out to the candidate. Just for reference, this is what the offer letter looks like. So we'll have it dated, we'll have it we'll have the candidate's name and address up here at the top. Kona is our dog, so congratulations, Kona. She's coming on staff as our new mascot. We'll put what their position is here, address it to them, obviously, and then we'll list out the details of their job offer in these items. So we'll state what their salary will be or hourly rate if they're an admin, what their hours per month will be, and then list any benefits if they are full-time or at least 130 hours per month. We will link this benefits package in the offer letter for those that qualify. So it's a lot cleaner than listing out pension and retirement plan and things like that. So we'll just link this so that they can review it. But yeah, let us know if you have any questions with the offer letter request.